Isn't it kind of weird to collect baby shoes? What it do, boys and girls? This is episode 3 of Soul Searching in Japan. Today's video will be special because all of the things that we will look at in this video will be some Jordans. Some OG Jordans, not retros, the vintage pairs, the real ones, which I consider. I mean, the retros are still real, but they just don't make them the same anymore. Yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so this is a good place to begin the video with a Jordan 1 Japan Tokyos, and it comes with the suitcase. So the suitcase is the box. This was a limited edition run from 2001, and this is the Japans. Now we got what some consider grails or their dream pairs. The Jordan 7 Olympics, the USA, from 1992. $78 ain't bad at all. You can easily restore this. Go check out Reshoevn8r and Vick Almighty's restoration of the Jordan 7 USAs. The number 9's at the back. The back tab is still pretty neat. It doesn't have any cracks. The leather doesn't have much cracks. For $78, if you're a size 10, that's a nice shoe, man. Wow. A Jordan 11 bread for $52? Damn! 52 bucks. It's around 2,800 pesos. Let's read it. Air Jordan 11 black orange model. Clearly doesn't know that this is the bread. Good condition. He says it has hydrolysis. If you did not know what that is, it's the cracking of the thing. But 11s don't crack, so I don't know what he's talking about. Maybe it's the air units inside. It became orange because of the dried glue. I do have my own pair here. As you can see, it's also already orange. I have yet to restore these, but it is the breads. For $52, this ain't bad. 27 cm too, a size 9. Golly, this is pretty cool to see. Set of 16 brand new from 1992 to 1997 Nike Baby Jordan Originals. Isn't it kind of weird to collect baby shoes? But for $693, a set of 16, that's kind of cool. Let's see one by one here, okay? You got the 13s here, you got the He Got Games, and we got the Playoff 12s. You got the Taxi 12s. You got breads. I actually don't know if this is an OG pair right here though. Got 14s, you got the Flu Game 12s. Those made in 92, 96, and 97. I'm curious, what's the 92 model that he's talking about? You got 12s here, you got 14s, 13s. What's the 92s that he's talking about? I have no clue, to be honest with you guys. I don't think there is. So okay, let's move on. We got a size 9.5 UNC 85. This is also pretty rare, the UNC colorway, for $1,353. It's not a budget price, so it's the normal pricing right now for UNCs. We got the original laces here from STP, which is actually a rare. I don't know. I think that's a rare factory. I don't have an 85 yet. I would love to put it there where my 85 neutral retros are. Incidentally, these shoes are made with STP, which is rare for this colorway. I told you. So as these are 40-year-old vintage sneakers, the ankle and sole may have hardened. So please enjoy them as decorative pieces. For $1,300, you're gonna be a decorative piece? I don't think so. Do you guys remember these OG IEs? I mean, it is a hit or miss sometimes. This is a hot take. Once I grew older, I realized that this isn't a bad shoe. This isn't as bad as I thought it was. So it's made in Taiwan from 1996. It's only $20. It's roughly 1,300 pesos. It does have sole separation here. That's common for the IEs, but that's easy to fix. MJ wore these too on court. Remember when the Flints were retroed back in 2020 or 2021? I'm not quite sure, but I saw these in store. The Flints actually do look nice in person. I like the texture that they use, mesh material. This is kind of still in good condition if you do want to wear a 13. If you're size 8, $32, why not? Guys, if you are enjoying, please press the like button and the subscribe button. That will help my channel a lot. So yeah, let's move on to this. It's not a sneaker, but it is sneaker related, and it's a vintage Nike shirt. 14 years of air. This is cool. For $38, it has all of the shoes, 1 to 14. And it's a 90s tag, made in the USA, medium. It looks kind of big, to be honest with you, for a medium. You got the Chicago 1, Chicago 2, white cement 3, white cement 4, white metallic 5, infrared 6. You got the Raptor 7. I don't like that name. It's the playoffs, guys. Raptors weren't even in the NBA at that point, 1992. You got the playoff 8s, Space Jam 9s, the Steel 10s, Concord, Slew Game 12s. Okay, I think it's faded, but I think that's the He Got Games. I don't know. And then you got is that the black toes or the reds? I actually can't see because it's faded. Okay, moving on. We got some Jordan 12 Flu games for $66. And it has the box. It has almost everything you need for a size 9.5. Yes, the Jumpman tab will be broken. I mean, it is really normal for some 96. This is my pair right here. As you can see, it is also broken. You see the white stuff there. This is a dead stock pair, by the way. So this wasn't worn. But yeah, $66 is not bad. Oh yeah, I forgot it's a 97 because it's the Flu games, not a 96. By the way, guys, stay tuned at the end because I did buy something for a steal too. Next up, we got some dead stock pairs here. Is it dead stock? Yes, it is. A 1992 Jordan 7 playoffs. Like I said, it's the it's the Korean version too. The one with the gray panels instead of the black ones. 9.5. Yep, made in Korea. Damn, that's a beautiful shoe. Wow, the 7s are real underrated. The price though for $430, that's roughly 30,000 pesos. For a real collector, that's not much. But for us, broke boy sneakerheads, $430, that's a lot of money. And guys, the moment you've been waiting for, what I bought this video is a 1991 Nike Air Jordan 7 Hair for $19. Again, $19 for the Hair 7s from 1991. Not even 92. These came out 91. A size 8.5. I will be restoring these because for sure the polyurethane midsole will be cracking. The back tabs are okay. It isn't cracked yet. I'm kind of excited to get these. So stay tuned to my channel. Subscribe if you want to see me open the box of these. Golly. My size 2, 8.5. It didn't include the original laces, but I do have laces for this already stored right there. So yeah, again, this is Matt Kismorio. If you enjoy these types of content, be sure to subscribe and click the like button. That will help me out a ton. I will be able to buy shoes for you guys to see. So yeah, this is episode 3 of Soul Searching in Japan. If you want to see the other videos, I will link the playoffs. I said playoffs. I will link the playlist right here. And the video that YouTube wants you to watch will be here. And yeah, that's it. Peace. Thank you so much for watching.